Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your HomePod and iPhone or iPad are up to date, signed into the same Apple ID, and using the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the Home app and tap the HomePod tile to access settings. This starts the voice recognition flow. Make sure Siri is enabled on your iPhone so the Home app shows the correct options. Now tap Recognize Voices to begin adding people and training voice profiles. Next, add users in Home settings and invite them to the Home. Once they accept, have each person stand near the HomePod and speak the prompt Siri provides. You'll guide them through several short phrases so the HomePod can capture distinct vocal patterns and associate them with Apple ID. Make sure the room is quiet and the microphone isn't obstructed, because background noise degrades accuracy. After each person completes training, confirm their name appears under Recognize Voices. To finish, test personalized features. Ask Siri for your messages, reminders, or personal music. Confirm the HomePod responds with the correct account. If it misidentifies a voice or won't recognize someone, have that person retrain their voice in a quiet environment, and if problems persist, reboot the HomePod and the controlling iPhone. As a final step, check Home app permissions. If nothing helps, remove and re-add the user or reset HomePod settings, but back up home data before a full reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.